Compared to other materials, metal is far more resilient in terms of various aspects. It could even last a lifetime if you can take good care of it. Unlike plastic, acrylic, glass, and wood, which are fragile and can easily be destroyed or ruined by different factors, metal can withstand almost all conditions. This very reason is why most people prefer metal over anything else. Its strength and flexibility set the standard quality for all the other materials out there. Metal is suitable in almost any design concept for homes, for professional and formal businesses because of its sleek appearance. Whether the metal furniture is displayed anywhere the place, it gives off the impression that the person invested has exquisite taste in the objects they choose. There are several metal welding projects you can tackle as a beginner welder. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you welding project ideas for beginners for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Welding is not just for professionals. It is also a great hobby for anyone who wants to repair or build things for fun and recreation. Welding projects can help welders of any skill level increase their knowledge and understanding of techniques, fundamentals, and skills. Whether you are just getting started or have been welding for quite some time, we've got beginner welding projects that anyone can do. While you do need to train appropriately to become a welder, you won't need to pursue a university education if this is the career you want. Welding is one of the professions where having a university degree doesn't matter because you can still make excellent pay. Most standard welding jobs pay a significant amount. Also, if you are willing to work in different areas, like on an oil rig, you can earn more money than somebody with a bachelor's degree. There are many different types of welding for various experience levels and applications. You can determine which type of welding is right for you by examining your welding experience and what materials you would like to weld. While some welding types create clean beads and require minimal cleanup, other types produce larger welds that make more slag to clean up. Some welding types only work on ferrous metals, while others are more versatile. We've put together a quick list of a few common types of welding. No welding type is the strongest among all welding applications. The strongest weld depends on the type of metal, the material thickness, and the expected weight loading onto the weld. TIG welding produces the cleanest welds in routine applications because a larger amount of filler metal goes directly into the joint and produces less splatter. It is also ideal for thinner materials that require more precise welds. MIG welding provides the most consistent welds and is the easiest type of welding for beginners. Flux welding creates the strongest welds in thicker materials. The flux core wire allows the weld to cool more slowly, which creates a more consistent and stable weld joint. When determining the type of welding you should learn, you can plan the type of materials you would like to work with, the amount of time you have to learn, and the resources you have available. MIG welding is the most beginner-friendly type of welding. It is a faster process that is easy to learn and forgiving of mistakes. TIG welding is a slower process that requires more time to master and produces more precise welds on a variety of materials types. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting welding project ideas for beginners. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.